Welcome back to the channel. So if you need to bleed air out of the hydraulic unit of your manual pallet jack, this is how you do it. So immediately after adding oil on your hydraulic jack, you can check out the link in the description on how to do it. Once that is done, what you need to do is just close it up and then follow the next two easy steps. So make sure you tie it up well enough. So once that is done, what you need to do next is just hold the lever, this one, pull it up, hold it, pump the jack 10 times or more. Once that is done, push it down, pump it up again. And just release it. And there you have it. So now the air is all out of the hydraulic unit, and if you need to see how you can service this jack entirely, just watch the link in the description, and everything you need will be linked there. So thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next one. Ciao.